I-prank natin si Ate Ria. Naglagay ako ng Nutella sa kamay ko, tapos magpapakuha ko sa kanya ng tissue. Tingnan natin yung reaction niya.
Ria! Dali!
Come here, ate.
Ate!
Pupo si mami.
Ate!
Tawag ka.
Can you get the tissue sa table?
Can you get the tissue doon sa table? Okay.
Makuha ng table, please.
Ang ginagawa si daddy.
Yes po. Can you open the door, please?
Amin na po.
What's that? What's that?
What's that? Ano yan? What's that? Ew! What's that? Oh no! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Amin na, wipe ni Mami. Kinain mo. You taste it.
No!
You taste it.
I know it's just a poo-poo. I don't want to eat it!
It's a chocolate. It's a prank. Paamay mo. Paamay.
Yeah. No!